monster. Hi, I'm a storyteller. I love stories and monsters. Did you know monsters have stories too? Yes, they do, especially mine. When I wake up, I can't wait to share a new story. Today's story is called Bird Monster. My friend Veronica has a flying bird monster. Knock, knock, knock. I wonder who that could be. Oh, it's her beautiful bird monster. Veronica always likes to try new things. Veronica's monster teaches her that imagination can take her anywhere. Her monster points to the clouds and asks her to imagine she can fly, but she needs to focus. She closes her eyes and poof! Veronica is now flying with her monster. Woohoo! Whee! See, flying isn't scary. Veronica loves her bird monster. Her name is Blue. What a great story!